Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to dive into a product that promises to elevate your juicing experience, the EUHOMY Cold Press Juicer. We found this juicer online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the EUHOMY Cold Press Juicer? This innovative juicer uses a slow masticating process to extract juice from fruits and vegetables while preserving their nutrients and flavor. With a sleek and compact design, it's perfect for anyone looking to enjoy fresh juices without taking up too much space in the kitchen. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this juicer. First and foremost, the EUHOMY boasts a 5.8-inch wide feed chute. This means you can juice whole fruits and vegetables without the need for chopping, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Whether you're juicing apples, carrots, oranges, or even more fibrous ingredients like ginger and celery, the large feed chute accommodates it all with ease. Next up is the juicer's exceptional ease of use and cleaning. Designed with a smart hopper and screen-integrated design, it can be assembled and disassembled in just minutes. This feature is a game-changer for those who dread cleaning up after juicing. All the detachable parts can be easily rinsed with water, and the included brush makes it even simpler to get into those hard-to-reach areas. If you value convenience, this juicer is a top contender. Now, let's delve into the heart of what makes the EUHOMY Cold Press Juicer unique: its slow cold press technology. By using this method, the juicer minimizes damage to the cell structure of your fruits, resulting in fresher and more nutritious juice. It significantly reduces oxidation and frothiness, which means you're getting the purest juice possible. Plus, with its double-layer filters, it ensures effective separation of slag and juice, preventing any clogs and making every drop count. Another impressive feature is the one-button operation. This design allows for effortless juicing, making it perfect for anyone, regardless of their juicing experience. The reverse function is also a thoughtful addition, helping to prevent clogs and ensuring a smooth juicing process. Powered by a robust 400W motor, it avoids heat generation and oxidation, maximizing nutrient retention and achieving an impressive 99.6% juice yield. So, who is this juicer for? The EUHOMY Cold Press Juicer is perfect for health enthusiasts, busy parents, or anyone looking to incorporate more fresh juice into their diet. If you're someone who enjoys experimenting with various fruits and vegetables, this juicer will serve you well. Whether you want to whip up a morning green juice, a refreshing watermelon drink for a hot day, or a nutritious carrot-orange blend, this machine can handle it all. Practical use cases for the EUHOMY juicer are endless. Imagine starting your day with a nutrient-packed juice to boost your energy levels or creating delicious and healthy juices for your family gatherings. It's also great for meal prep. You can make larger batches of juice to store in the fridge for easy access throughout the week. With its ability to handle a variety of ingredients, you can tailor your juice to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. In conclusion, the EUHOMY Cold Press Juicer is a stellar choice for anyone serious about juicing. Its combination of convenience, efficiency, and high juice yield sets it apart from many other juicers on the market. With its user-friendly design and powerful masticating technology, you can enjoy delicious, healthy juices with minimal effort. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.